In this video, I show you how to make a simple knot at the end of the thread. For this, you need a thread that is already threaded into your needle. Hold the needle in your right hand. With your left hand, take the end of the thread and pretend that you are going to prick yourself. Instead of pricking yourself, place the end of the thread between the thumb and index finger of your right hand. Then take the thread with your left hand and wrap it around the needle 3 times from front to back. Now you push the wrapped thread under the thumb and the index finger of your right hand. Now you can pull out the needle. It is important that the thumb and the index finger of the right hand don't let go of the thread. Pull the needle until you feel a knot between your fingers.